Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to play Roblox on two accounts at the same time on one computer. First, check which version of Roblox you already have installed. Go to the Start menu and search for Roblox. If the app is called Roblox Player and shows the option Open File Location, you have the desktop version. If it is simply called Roblox and shows App Settings, you have the Microsoft Store version. To play on two accounts, you need both versions. If you already have the desktop version installed, go to the Microsoft Store and download Roblox from there. Once both versions are installed, the next step is to sign in to each version using two different Roblox accounts. For example, open the desktop Roblox app and sign in with your first account. Then, open the Microsoft Store version and log in with your second account. This allows you to run both accounts at the same time. You can keep both game windows open side by side or switch between them while playing. You can even play the same game on both accounts at the same time if you want. Just make sure each account is logged in on its own version of the app. Keep in mind that Roblox is always updating its software. You can download and play with this method for now, but they can remove this option at any time. They are working on fixing bugs and making sure that no one breaks the rules and regulations. Thanks for watching.